What's this?
Which one do you think it is? Yeah. So what word can we make with that?
12.
Which picture? Find it on here. Which one? Have a look at this one. Turn it over.
So, okay, put it.
Where's Flash? Flash, read the picture. Right, turn it over. Which one is it? Ing or Ed? Flashed.
And
Yeah, flashed.
first.
You stick it on. Which side? Which side?
That's right.
Well done. Flashed. That's yeah, flashed.
Yes.
Nice one. Good boy. Let's put it above here so we're using all the space. Let's check. Does it match?
Matt. First.
Can you put it on here? Which side? Which side?
Third.
Put it on there.
Hiya.
Put it here. Yeah.
Left.
To write it on actually. What's the next one?
What's this one? Put it.
Okay, that one up. Which side?
Put it.
Which side? Ed or Ing? Which one? Yeah, well done. Stick it on.
It's okay.
You're going to get it all over the table. Nice one. Good job. Should we check?
Put it.
Okay, which side does it go on?
Ink.
No? What's this?
And
Okay, put it on top.
that.
What's the next one?
This is
Okay,
stumped.
well done. Can you find the word?
Stumped.
Which side?
Stumped.
That's Ing.
This is
Fun.
the
Words today. Nice one.
the key.
It's all right, That's it. Let's put it on. Nice one. Let me check.
Stumped.
You put it away. Which side?
Ink.
No. Try again. There you
It's
go.
What's this?
Have a look. Turn it over. It can be either one, but this time it's
Busting.
blasting. Yeah.
Me.
Yeah, it's got a bit stuck. Put some glue on. Good job.
No.
You stick it on.
Ink.
Well done. Blasting. Yeah. Let's give it some space. Check.
Busting.
Now put it away.
Ink.
Well done. Let's put it away. Nice one.
Spist.
What is it? Turn it over.
Spring.
Spring, yeah.
Spring.
Yeah.
Sit.
Which side?
Ink.
Well done. Nice one. Let me check it.
Ink.
Yeah. Put it away.
Ink.
Nice sounds. Good job. Good work.